So let's get started with a question that's coming on our website. Arvind, Shreya writes in, says she wants to buy a property in Supertech Hilltown at Sona for end use. She wants to know what is the current market rate of this project. She also wants to know if this is a good investment at this point in time.
Well, Kavita, we've spoken about this location quite a few times, but just for the sake of Shreya's information, I would quickly cover it. So, it's a new township, first of all, and it's in Sector 2, Sona, Gurgaon. Well, it's actually a large one, it's 140 acres and positioned as a premium, in the premium segment, very close to Rajiv Chowk and adjacent to SPR and Golf Course Extension Road also. So, a good location. Well, it's under construction right now. You have to wait about 3 years before you will actually have the possession, maybe, give or take a few months. Prices, since you asked, are about 3,700 to 4,400 rupees a square foot. Keeping the location in mind, keeping the good band of pricing that's there, I think there's hardly any doubt. I feel it's a good investment. You should go ahead and make this investment for now at least. If you have a medium-term horizon, which is about 5 odd years or so, it could be a good investment to have.
Arvind, a lot of projects in this market are delayed, especially in the NCR, the Gurgaon belt. Now, like you said, this is 3 years in the making. So she will have to wait for some time. Are there, ready position projects or positions that are projects that are nearing position in and around this particular project that she's chosen, which she should probably also look at before, going ahead and making a decision?
Well, there are quite a few projects at different stages, by the way. Some are in early stages, some are close to completion, some are already done, which means second sales are also there. Now, one has to keep in mind that in this particular belt, particularly if you look at Gurgaon and south of Gurgaon, the market has gotten more or less saturated, include Dwarka Expressway as well, which has sort of started to show depression in terms of pricing. So the one stretch which is probably looking okay and probably is promising for future is the Sona stretch as of now. And I'll take it a little further south as well. So there are projects of all different types. In fact, we have quite a few that I think we will speak about going further into today's program. So there is Godrej's project, there are quite a few, there's Raheja's project. They're all at different stages. You could look at any of them. Depends on, what your primary objectives are. If you want to actually, get into a project in early stages, then probably this is something which is okay. If you want to get in something which will start generating yields very quick, then you have to look at a different project. Since we don't have Shreya live on the line right now, we can't know her clear objectives. But, if you have these objectives, you should evaluate accordingly.
One more thing before we move on. You did mention that there are a lot of properties where you are seeing secondary sales as well. How is the resale market in this particular area doing? Are you seeing a significant difference in prices, of secondary property in the secondary market as compared to the primary market? Will it be cheaper for someone like Shreya to buy a ready property in the secondary market?
I think that's a very good question, Kavita. Thanks for raising it. Secondary market, of course, is doing okay. I wouldn't say it's as great as it would have been, but it's still doing okay. Well, again, it depends on what pricing band you want to enter in, what capital appreciation you want to make in near future. So if you have a need to immediately start generating returns on your investment, then probably you're best placed to go for a secondary sales or a second sale.
No, but are the properties available cheaper as compared to what's available in the primary market?
Sorry, I missed that part. No, I don't think that will be the proposition that you will get cheaper properties just because you've gone into a second sale. Well, a distress sale is something which we don't count when we look at the general possibilities. Entering early under construction stages always has its benefit of growing the capital. A finished product, even in a second sale, will come at a slightly premium.
Right. So Shreya, here are your options. A lot of projects in the market. The project that you've picked obviously is a good project, like Arvind pointed out. However, it is in the early stages of construction, 3 years to possession. And looking at the delays in the NCR Gurgaon market, if you are not a huge risk taker, then you can probably also look at other projects which are nearing completion. There is a lot of inventory also available in the secondary market, which probably also you should have a look at before you sign on the dotted line.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.